Welcome. Today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how you can reset touchpad and all gesture settings to the defaults. So we have to go for the settings. Next we have to simply open devices, go for the touchpad, and then we have to scroll down all the way down to reset all of the settings. I didn't make any changes, but I'm going, for example, to change cursor speed, sensitivity, and turn off this 3-finger gestures. Right now I will be able to reset all these settings to the defaults. And that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.